battery life. While some mid-range smartphones do ship with bigger batteries, the Mate 10 Lite's 3340 mAh isn't small by any definition of that term. And yet we were not very impressed with the battery life we managed to get out of it. It's definitely not a record breaker in this regard, not even close. What's more, we've seen some pretty erratic battery life unfortunately, for which we haven't been able to pinpoint the culprits despite me having a pretty detailed battery section in settings. Standby battery life seems to take a pretty big hit when the handset isn't connected to Wi-Fi but only to 4G, and streaming music via Bluetooth appears to consume much more than it does on devices using other chipsets. The same goes for GPS positioning, which takes quite a toll on the Mate 10 Lite, with the battery level dropping fast if you are navigating somewhere. Oh. Our screen-on-time record is 5 hours before we hit 3% left in a usual 16-hour day, during which the phone was mostly connected to Wi-Fi, with a couple of hours of 4G connectivity, an hour of phone calls, and about 1 hour of music streaming via Bluetooth. We have also seen as little as 3 hours of screen-on-time if we used 4G for 3-4 hours and streamed music for 2-3 hours, so your mileage may obviously vary, and possibly by a lot. That's always how things go when talking about battery stats.